So just a simple install, very simple install. It's just angle steel that's pre-drilled that comes with the kit. I'll show you that in a second, but to deploy, super fast, unzip the bag. You got 2 Velcro ties that hold everything in there. Let it roll out, expand, and oops, pull the wrong one. You gotta pull the top one first. Lock it here in the corner. This one, lock it in place. Stretch out the bottom. It comes with stakes, so you can stake the bottom of it. And that is it. Quick setup. It zips over on this side, so it's close to where I'll go in my camper. There you go. Shower's ready. Now I just got to get water. Oftentimes, on many of these awnings that are mounted to your rig, they open up really quick, but then they're a little more difficult to pack them back down. This one, I think, is the easiest one I've tried yet. So, really simple, just unlock the corners and hold in the bottom first. Hold that in, grab the bottom, and then just roll it up. Pull the straps in. You're going to have more than enough straps up top that you'll need to tuck. But for speed, I think this is the quickest one to deploy and to pack back down. So now all I need is water, and water tank will be going on here in this slot. Not sure about hot water heater. I'm looking at a couple of options, maybe a combined water heater and pump, or water heater and pump. Give me your comments. What are your thoughts as to a combined or individual, and what units did you use?